The government has no plans to roll out trials for a 4-day work week in the public sector. Parliament has been told it will be difficult for businesses to adopt the same type of flexible work arrangements. Still, companies are urged to remain open to the idea.
Different sectors and roles have diverse needs and may not be able to adopt the same type of flexible arrangement in the same manner. 4-day work week has worked in some companies, in some places, in some jobs, but not others. So we welcome employers and employees out there, whether in the private sector or public sector, to try, the type of flexible work arrangement that they think best suits the workplace.